Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ascension Employee Account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search Ascension. You'll find ascension.ehr.com at the top of the search results. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the Ascension login portal. You just simply have to enter your username and your password. Since I am not a member of this Ascension employee, I cannot go further from here, but you can. So just enter your username, your password, and login. In case you forgot your username and password, you will see this dialog button appear on the screen. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments with feedback are appreciated. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.